The project. This is the most important. They offered me the project, and I saw the club taking good people in the club also to try to change because of the last year, and also some players, Stojanovic, who told me good things about the club, and I decided to come to Maribor, and I can say thank you. I watch also some games to understand how they play, and I spoke also with the sport director who make big difference and told me what he wants for the Maribor, and I feel like really impressive. Yeah. I feel more Portuguese, yes, because of my parents, and also because I played there 4 years, and like the people's there, I like Portugal, yes. But I'm from Korzike, and Korzike in France is a little bit different. People, how they are living is different, and they are like more family protect in Korzike, and we can see how in France is living, and in Korzike is totally different. Yeah. It's difficult to speak about myself, but like I'm the player who give everything in the pitch, who fight for the team, and want to help the team every time. And if I need to play like more aggressive, I will play. It depends on the games, and I adapt every time. So I'm here one more to help the team. Shimunja was the coach in Ludogorets with me, and I really like how he's working, and also the people. And for me, this is the most important. Sometimes if I have this connection with some people, you can do what you want. I will give everything for you, you know. And Stojanovic is a little bit the same. And I know 2 Slovenian guys, and I really like them. So what I can say, only good things about Slovenia for now. Yeah. Now I would like to go and to train with the team, because I came here for this, you know, to be with the team, and I need to feel this. For these 2 years will be simple: to win most games of possible, to play Europe, and to be champion also, because I won title and I know how is it, and I hope Maribor will be champion this year.